Discover the best Garmin watches on the market, designed for fitness enthusiasts and everyday users alike. From advanced GPS tracking and heart rate monitoring to stylish designs and long battery life, Garmin offers a range of options to suit every lifestyle. In this video, we'll highlight the best Garmin watch models, their unique features, and what sets them apart, ensuring you find the perfect watch to meet your needs. Join us as we explore the innovation behind Garmin's exceptional lineup. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Garmin Vivomove trend our pick for best budget Garmin watch. Garmin's Vivomove line seamlessly blends the classic charm of an analog watch with modern digital innovations, making it perfect for those who appreciate a timeless smartwatch aesthetic. The latest edition, the Vivomove trend, stands out by offering a harmonious mix of health and fitness features, long-lasting battery life, and convenient charging technology. ZDNet's reviews editor, Jun Wan, recently tested the Vivomove trend and praised its thoughtful design, especially noting that it's Garmin's first model to support wireless charging. This means you can effortlessly recharge your watch on any key-enabled pad, but a wired charging option is also included for those who prefer it. The hybrid design features motorized hands that dynamically move as you interact with the watch. Plus, auto workout detection, Garmin Pay, and a wealth of data from the companion app ensure that you won't miss out on any essential Garmin functionalities. Wan appreciated the watch's focus on digital well-being, highlighting its calming absence of flashy screen animations, which allows you to stay in tune with your daily health metrics without distractions. Ultimately, the Vivomove trend is both stylish and user-friendly, catering to your lifestyle needs. Number 4. Garmin Forerunner 165, our pick for best Garmin watch for beginners. Need a running companion? Garmin Forerunner 165 is your answer. This smartwatch stands out, especially for beginners. With built-in GPS, tracking your pace and distance becomes effortless. Enjoy a vibrant AMOLED touchscreen that remains responsive, paired with traditional buttons for easy navigation. Battery life impresses, lasting up to 11 days in smartwatch mode. If you hit the trails in GPS mode, expect up to 19 hours of reliable tracking. You can conquer your fitness goals with personalized daily workout suggestions. Adaptive coaching keeps your training fresh and effective. More than just running, it supports 25+ activity profiles. Whether it's cycling, HIIT, or strength training, this watch has you covered. Each morning, it greets you with a comprehensive report of your sleep and recovery, which is invaluable for planning your day. Safety features like incident detection enhance peace of mind while exercising outdoors. You can also receive notifications directly from your smartphone. This convenience means you'll stay connected without the hassle of carrying your phone. Garmin Pay simplifies purchases on the go, eliminating the need for cash. However, navigating setup may take a bit of time initially, but it's worth it. Overall, this smartwatch delivers exceptional value, making it perfect for those starting their fitness journey. Check out the Garmin Forerunner 165 today. Still looking for the perfect Garmin watches to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Garmin Forerunner 265, our pick for best Garmin watch for runners. Looking for the ultimate training companion? Meet the Garmin Forerunner 265. This sleek smartwatch packs a punch with its brilliant AMOLED display and lightweight design. It's perfect for serious runners and casual joggers alike. Boasting up to 13 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, it outlasts most competitors. In GPS mode, you still get an impressive 20 hours. Wake up to a morning report that gives you insights on sleep, recovery, and your training outlook. No more guessing games. Receive personalized daily workout suggestions based on your specific race goals through the Garmin Connect app. This feature keeps you on track, and workouts adapt to your performance. A unique training readiness score takes into account sleep quality and recovery, helping you decide if you're ready to push your limits. With over 30 built-in activity profiles, you're covered no matter the sport. Running, triathlons, cycling, and more are all included. Safety features like incident detection offer peace of mind during outdoor activities. Multi-band GNSS with SAID-IQ technology enhances accuracy in tough environments, while smart notifications keep you connected on the go. What's not to like? Persistent battery usage can drain faster with heavy GPS use, but that's just a trade-off for all these features. Overall, the Garmin Forerunner 265 stands out among similar models. Dive into the world of precise training today. Number 2, Garmin Enduro 2. Our pick for best Garmin watch for athletes. Looking for the best Garmin watch for athletes? Look no further than the Garmin Enduro 2. This powerhouse blends advanced tech with rugged durability, making it perfect for serious adventurers. First off, that 1.4-inch power sapphire lens is a game changer. It captures solar energy, giving you extra power and more time between charges. You'll spend less time tethered to a charger and more time dominating your next trail. SAT-IQ technology in auto-select mode improves battery life without losing positional accuracy. This smart feature dynamically adjusts GPS modes, ensuring you never miss a turn, even on lengthy hikes. Rugged yet lightweight, this watch won't drag you down. The ultra-fit nylon band conforms to your wrist, providing stellar comfort throughout any activity. Navigation is a breeze with preloaded topo-active and ski maps. Finding your way has never felt more effortless, especially with the Next Fork map guide that shows distances to trail intersections. You'll appreciate the powerful LED flashlight that outshines its predecessor, the Fenix 7X. Night runs are safer with a red safety light mode, keeping your surroundings visible. Performance metrics, including endurance and stamina tracking, elevate your training to a competitive level, with a mix of responsive touch and traditional button controls. While extensive features might feel overwhelming, they truly cater to anyone serious about fitness. For athletes seeking a robust companion, the Enduro 2 delivers unbeatable performance. Explore further and elevate your adventures. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Garmin Venue 3, our pick for best Garmin watch overall. Discover the Garmin Venue 3, the ultimate smartwatch that seamlessly blends fitness and lifestyle tracking. Perfect for active individuals, it retains the renowned GPS and GLONASS tracking that Garmin is famous for, while offering a comprehensive array of sports options, including running, cycling, and swimming. Beyond fitness, the Venue 3 also monitors your lifestyle, tracking important aspects such as sleep quality and stress levels. You can even connect it to compatible gym equipment for a truly integrated workout experience. Plus, with the ability to see who's at your Ring doorbell directly on the stunning AMOLED screen, staying connected has never been easier. As a smartwatch, the Venue 3 shines as well. Enjoy offline Spotify functionality, allowing you to sync your favorite tracks and listen directly through Bluetooth headphones, no smartphone needed. The user-friendly interface lets you check your daily schedule, monitor heart rate and water intake, log period symptoms, and receive notifications right on your wrist. The high-resolution 1.4-inch AMOLED display features 3 brightness levels and an optional always-on mode, ensuring you have all your vital information at a glance without needing to reach for your phone. This third-generation model also includes a built-in microphone and speaker, enabling you to take calls from your connected smartphone effortlessly. It's also perfect for audio-guided meditations and yoga sessions, all accessible without needing your phone. Embrace a healthier lifestyle and stay effortlessly connected with the Garmin Venue 3. So that wraps up our list of the best Garmin watches. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which Garmin watches you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.